Alright, welcome back everyone to another video. If you've seen my last video, I opened up a couple blaster boxes of some racing. Today I have two older boxes. This is 2009 Eclipse Press Pass. These were 20 bucks. We're looking for burning rubber, solar swatches, race use memorabilia, autographs, black hole instant win cards. Hopefully not those, just because we'll probably never be able to hand them in. There's your odds. Look for solar swatches. Yeah, so let's just get right into this. 8 packs, 5 cards per pack, so we're gonna open up quite a few cards. Just like last video, I did buy these off of a third-party website. They were selling these ones at about half price, so I think I paid $9.99 for them. I think we'll go ahead and just open up both boxes so we can rifle right through them. I don't think there's any bonus packs in here, so but I will keep the boxes separate. Oh, wait a minute. There's one way over here outside. Better check that other box real quick. So here's the second empty box. Let me go check that first box. Huh, they must have just missed the slot. First box does not have one tucked over here, so they must have just missed the slot on that one. That one's second, this one's first. Alright, 2009 Press Pass Eclipse. One more time for the odds. Pretty cool looking card. Matt Kenseth. Scott Speed. And we have a Ecliptic Path Scott Speed foil. Pretty cool. It's kind of thick. Scott Speed EP 1118. And then we have an Orbital Jeff Gordon. I don't think this is part of an insert set, but and then Brightest Star. Press Pass likes to put different photos in different arraignments, but they're still part of the primary set. So you're not putting 100 base looking cards in there. You'll put 100 cards in there, but the first 40 will be base looking, and then those. So Jimmy Johnson Take Off. It's a pretty cool card. See, that's card number 40. So it'll fall somewhere in the middle of the set. I'm gonna have to move that rainbow foil up. Eric Almirola. Greg Biffle. We have a blue. Anybody notice it changed blue where his name is? So this is a parallel. This one's a little bit harder to get than the regular, but not numbered or anything. So we do have a blue of Greg Biffle. Jimmy Johnson, Ground Control. Another insert set. Not an insert, sorry, but part of the base. And a Brightest Star, Tony Stewart. All right, let's just keep going right through these. We have a Ryan Newman, a Lunar Mission of Jeff Burton, another style card. So we're going to put our blues up here, and then Lunar Mission at the beginning. For lack of room, Kyle Busch. Oh, good. Stars over New York City. Looks like we're gonna have to put that there. And an Orbital Mark Martin, number 32. Goes right there. I like these cards. They got a nice matte finish to them with a foily center. We have a Jamie McMurray Lunar Mission. Lunar Mission, there it is. Joe Nemechek. Top Road Joe. Martin Truex. A blue Lunar Mission. Matt Kenseth. So, well, I give in, put the blues with the regulars. And a Pathfinders of Kyle Busch. Interesting. Still part of the main set. This is the only insert we've found so far. These are all main set cards right here. Alright, keep rolling. I'm really looking for a swatch or an autograph, guys. That's what I really want here. We'll have to say that I do like putting books together, so if I get enough of these, Jimmy Johnson, Tony Stewart, Lunar Mission, a Ecliptic Path of Jimmy Johnson. So there's a second one of these. Really cool. They got foil on the back, foil on the front. It's a very heavy card too. Brightest Stars, Kyle Busch. Pretty sure we had one of those. Yep. And then Ground Control of Greg Biffle. I sure do like this set. 2009 Eclipse. Can't say I found much of this online for videos, so Kevin Harvick, Denny Hamlin takeoff, a blue takeoff of Casey Kane, Stars over New York City, Jimmy Johnson, and then a Kevin Harvick Pathfinders. Looks like when they were a little child. Michael. Tony Stewart. Jimmy Johnson, Lunar Mission. And, oh, what is this? A Solar System of Carl Edwards. Look at that fancy looking card. It's heavy. Look on the back. SS 2 of 9 Solar System. So that's a second insert right there. Kyle Busch, Ground Control. Those inserts seem to be quite rare. Packages just kind of falling apart. Jeff Burton. Takeoff of Smokin' Joe Nemechek. David Reagan Blue. Carl Edwards, Brightest Stars. And then an Orbital of Tony Stewart. Alright, that was the first blaster box. Let's move right into the second one. Denny Hamlin. Carl Edwards. Joey Logano. Ecliptic Path. Very shiny cards. I really like those. Brightest Stars, Denny Hamlin. Orbital of Jimmy Johnson. There they are. Alright, make sure you're clicking that subscribe button if you're this far through my video. Appreciate all the views, all the likes. Clint Boyer, Brian Vickers, nice Kyle Busch Lunar Mission Blue. Eric Almirola. And Kurt Busch, Brightest Stars. This pack feels a little thin. A little thin. Jeff Gordon taking off. Mark Martin. Juan Pablo. Dale Earnhardt, Brightest Stars. and a Carl Edwards ground control. Still looking for an auto or a solar swatch. Game used memorabilia. I'm sorry, race used. Casey Kane, Lunar Mission. Gordon, Carl Edwards blue. David Gilliland, and a Jeff Gordon Bright Stars. Checklists. Everybody loves the checklists. Earnhardt, Lunar Mission. Sam Hornish Jr. We have a Jeff Burton, Ecliptic Path. I just love the shine on those things. Dale Earnhardt Orbital. And the checklist card must be card number 90. Yep. Yeah, see? So the first 30 are base. You got Orbital, Takeoff, Lunar, Brightest Star, Ground Control, Pathfinder, Stars Over. So yeah, I've been showing you guys correctly. 3 packs left. Come on, last couple pack magic. Looking for a auto or a freaking tire. I don't care right now. Reed Sorensen, David Rudiman, Joey Logano blue, Tony Stewart, and a Clint Boyer Brightest Stars. 2 packs left. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell icon, get your notifications when I upload. I upload often. I've got quite a few videos out there, but this is all personal stuff, so this is just a look into my collection. David Reagan, Casey Mears, card number 1. All right, last pack. What will we find? Greg Biffle, Lunar Mission. Greg Biffle, Take Off. David Reagan blue. Jimmy Johnson Pathfinder. Regan Smith Stars Over New York. Alright, well there you have it. This was 2009 Eclipse, 2 blaster boxes. And thanks for watching. Have a great evening.